Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, we're drawing something super cute and super cheesy, a pizza slice. So grab your pencils, and let's get started. First, I draw a triangle. This will be the yummy slice of pizza. Then, I add a crust at the bottom to make it look extra delicious. Next, I draw some tomato slices and green peppers to give it some tasty toppings.
Yummy, yummy.
After that, I draw two big, cute eyes to make it come alive.
Yay! Whoopee!
And of course, I add some love by drawing little hearts. Now it's time to color. I use yellow for the cheesy layer of the pizza.
Wow!
It looks melty and gooey.
Yahoo!
Then I use green for the green peppers.
Yeah!
Red for the juicy tomato slices.
Oh yeah!
Red again for those adorable hearts. And brown for the crispy pizza crust. And finally, I go over everything with a black marker to make it pop and look super neat. And that's it! Our super cute pizza slice is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time, bye!